Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous period we have already completed exercise 5.1. Now in the previous period we have seen some formulas of identities, that is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, x plus a and x minus x plus a into x plus b. Now let's see the another identities, two identities which are very important in 9th and 10th standard also. Now see here, what is the first identity? A plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And second identity is negative. A minus b whole cube. That is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here minus b cube. So here only second and fourth term is negative. Formula is same. Now see the problems depend on it. Now see the first problem, x plus 5 cube. How to use the formula in the problem? See, now x means here a and b means 5. So use a for x and b for 5. Now see here, a cube means here what is x cube. Now 3 into a means x square. What is b? 5. Plus 3 into x, b means 5 square, and what is the last term? 5 cube. Now see here what you get, x cube. Now multiply the numericals, 3 5s are 15 into x square. Here also 3 into x, 3x, and what is 5 square? 25. And what is 5 cube? 125. Means what you get here? X cube plus 15x square. Now 15 3s are 70 and 25 3s are 75x plus 125. You have to use how many steps? 3 steps are there, and then you get the answer. Now see the problems which is based on the negative formula. Now see here, if a minus b cube. Now what is given? Y minus 5 cube. Y means a and 5 means b. So here first again you have to use the same formula. Now a means y. So here y cube. 3 into a means y. Y square. B means 5. You have to put the values only. A means y. First term is a and second term is b. Into 5 square minus 5 cube. So what you get here? Y cube minus 3 5s again 15y square. Here 3y into 5 square means 25. 5 cube is 125. So what is your answer? Y cube 15y square 25 is a 75y minus 125. In this way you have to solve exercise 5.2 and 5.3 based on these two formulas. So first let's start exercise 5.2. Now see the first problem, what is given. Always you have to write down here by using formula. If plus is there, you have to use the positive formula of a plus b cube. If negative sign is there, then you have to use a minus b cube. Now here positive, which formula you have to use? A minus a plus b whole cube. What is your answer? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now what is a here? K. What is b? 4. So k plus 4 cube. Now a means k. So k cube plus 3 into a means k square. What is b here? 4 plus 3 into k. What is b? 4 square, and what is last term? 4 cube. Now see here, what is the next step? K cube. Now multiply the numericals first. 3 4s are 12k square. Here 3 into k. What is 4 square? 16. And what is 4 cube? 64. So what is your answer? K cube plus 12k square. 16 3s are 48k plus 64. Means what is the cube of k plus 4 cube? K cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. Now let's see the second problem. Here also you have to use the same formula. A plus B whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now put the values only. What you get? A cube means 7x cube. 3a square means 7x square. B means 8y. Again 3 into 7x. B square means 8y square. And always remember students, you have to write down, if variable and number both are given, you have to write down in the bracket. What you have to write down? In the bracket, 7x cube plus 3 into 7x square into 8y into 3 into 7x into 8y square. Now open the brackets. Now 7 cube is 343. And what is x cube? X cube. Here 3 8s are 24y. And what is 7x square? 49x square. It is your second bracket. Now third, 7 3s are 21x. 8y square means 64y square. And what is 8y cube? 512y cube. Now multiplication, 343x cube plus 1174 multiplication x square y, and then 1344 xy square. Here 21 into 64, 1344, and x into y square. And what is the last term? 512y. It is the square of which term? 7x plus 8y cube. In this way you have to solve the problem. Now see the third problem is homework. Third problem is homework. Now see the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? In fourth problem, what is given? You have to find out 52 cube. Cube of 52. Now here also you have to use the same formula. What you write for 52? 50 plus 2 whole cube. Means 50 plus 2 whole cube. Again a means 50 cube. Then 3 into a square means 50 square into 2 plus 3 into a means 50, b means 2 square, and b cube means 2 cube. In this way you have to write down. Now 50 cube means 125. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Again 3 to the 6. 50 square means 2500. Again plus 53 is 150 into 4, and 2 cube means 8. Now what you get? 125000. 25 6 150. 15 4 60 plus 8, and then add all these. What you get? 140,608. It is a cube of 50. If number is given, you have to solve like this. If variables and number is given, you have to use the same formula. So students, write down all these three problems in your copy and solve exercise. Now second and third and fifth problem is homework. Thank you and have a nice day.